Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com, Underdog Fantasy promo codes and Bit plus DFS picks for Cowboys vs Steelers on SNF. Claim $1,300 plus in bonuses. A storied rivalry renews on SNF with the Steelers hosting the Cowboys, and we have DFS picks and promo codes from Underdog and other top daily fantasy sites for you here. Use our Underdog Fantasy promo codes and Bit to claim a DFS bonus worth up to $250 and an NFL Pick'em special on deposit before checking out our DFS projections and picks below. Play now, use Underdog promo codes and Bit for $250 in bonus cash plus Pick'em special. Underdog tops our list of the best daily fantasy sports promos. Underdog Fantasy gives new customers up to $250 in bonus cash to boost your bankroll, plus a free Pick'em special in select states. Check out these other top-ranked DFS promos for SNF. Here are our favorite DFS picks for Steelers vs Cowboys on SNF. Let's change tack and start with a kicker in Dallas stud Brandon Aubrey, who kicked the longest FG of the season at 65 yards versus the Ravens. Incidentally, that was the only game where he finished with fewer than 7.5 points, barely missing out with 7. Aubrey started the season with 15 points against Cleveland and 13 against New Orleans. Last week, he crested this total with 8 points against the Giants. Aubrey is 12 of 13 on FG attempts after missing his first kick last week. He's a perfect 7 of 7 on extra points, and leads all NFL kickers with 43 points this season. Dallas is banged up on defense. DeMarcus Lawrence is on IR with a Lisfranc injury, and Micah Parsons is expected to miss SNF with a sprained ankle. That's not a good recipe for a pass rush against Justin Fields, who'll have time to look for his favorite target. Pickens has clearly emerged as the number one WR for the Steelers. He leads Pittsburgh in the following categories. Pickens has yet to score, but he's eclipsed this total in 3 of 4 games this season, and 13 of the last 18 dating back to last season. This just in, Dallas can't run the ball. The Cowboys are ranked dead last in the NFL with 75.3 yards per game. That means Dak Prescott will be forced to throw and go over this total, right? If he were playing at home, that would be the case. In 2 home games, Prescott has crushed this number both times. He hasn't sniffed the over in both road tilts, going for 179 passing yards at Cleveland and 221 against the Giants last week. Pittsburgh has a top 10 defense against the pass, too, allowing just 175 yards per game. We're fading Prescott on SNF,